Matter around us. Introduction. What is matter? All that which occupies space and has mass is called matter. Everything around us is matter. All the objects we see around us are made up of atoms, and atoms occupy space and have a specific mass. Hence, everything is matter, including us. Matter exists in various states as liquid, solid, or gas. States of matter. As we know, matter is basically classified into three different states: solid, liquid, and gaseous. Hence, the solid objects we see in our surroundings are in the solid state of matter, whereas liquids such as water, milk, petrol, etc. are in liquid state. Air is in the gaseous state of matter, but the properties of matter in different states differ. Properties of solids, liquids, and gases. If we take a solid body and put it into a container, would it change its shape? Or would a liquid change its shape? It is the property of solids that they do not change their size and shape, hence have a definite shape and a fixed volume. Liquids take the shape of the container, hence they do not have a definite shape, but they have a fixed volume and density. In the case of gases, they do not have definite shape as well as volume. Unique properties of gases. Compressibility. The reason why the gases do not have fixed volume is because they can be compressed to occupy a small volume than before. This property of getting compressed is called compressibility. Compressibility is different for different gases, and gases are highly compressible. CNG, commonly used in automobiles, is obtained by compression. The cooking gas we use in our house is LPG. Under high pressure, the gas is converted to liquid, which is stored in the cylinders. Diffusion. The transport or intermixing of gas molecules is called diffusion. For example, the mixing of smoke from automobiles is a diffusion process. Spraying perfumes, room fresheners, etc. are also examples of diffusion, where the smell spreads across the room. Diffusion also takes place in liquids and sometimes in solids too. How diffusion takes place? Incense stick also works on the principle of diffusion. As it burns, the scent particles mix with the air and spread the smell across the room. Rate of diffusion of gases is higher than that of liquids, which is again higher than that of solids. The rate of diffusion is highest in gases as the intermolecular space is more and the spread of particles is higher. Particles move freely and have more space between them. the molecules are closely packed in a solid, whereas loosely packed in a gas. Hence, the other particles, being diffused with air, occupy the empty space between the molecules and diffuse faster. Can matter change its state? As we started this chapter with the existence of water in 3 states, the answer is yes. Matter can change its state. Besides water, camphor, when left open to air, evaporates just like naphthalene balls. Also, in winter season, the coconut oil freezes just like ghee. Physical properties are responsible for the change in the state of matter, like temperature, pressure, etc. Effect of temperature. Take about 100 grams of ice in a beaker. Keep the bulb of laboratory thermometer in contact with the ice. Note the temperature. Heat the beaker slowly. Record the change in temperature after every 30 seconds. Let the ice melt. Now, place a glass rod in beaker and continue heating till water starts boiling. After some time, all the water will be evaporized. Temperature is the main reason why water changes its state. At or below 0 degree centigrade, water is in solid state. Above 0 degree centigrade, water is in liquid state, and above 100 degree centigrade, water is in vapor state. This is due to the heat energy supplied, which is a measure of temperature. The temperature at which water starts to freeze as ice is called freezing point. The temperature at which solid ice begins to melt is called melting point, and at which it boils is called boiling point. The freezing point and melting point of water is 0 degree centigrade and the boiling point is 100 degree centigrade. The energy in ice is least and in vapor it's highest, as more energy is supplied to turn into vapor state. Water vapor, when condensed as water in the liquid form, the process is called condensation. When a solid directly changes its state to vapor without the intermediate liquid state, the process is called sublimation. As mentioned, under high pressure, the gas is liquefied and converted into LPG. Similarly, solid carbon dioxide, which is known as dry ice, turns directly into vapor at 1 atmospheric pressure, as under high pressure converts into liquid, and when the pressure is suddenly removed, the ice is obtained back. Thus, we can say that pressure has an effect on the state of matter.
మా వీడియో కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. ఇలాంటి మరిన్ని వీడియోస్ కోసం మా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోవడం మాత్రం మర్చిపోకండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్.